Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tag link in YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need to go to your YouTube studio. And basically to go to your YouTube studio, you will be able just to click on your profile picture on your YouTube, and then you will need to click on go to your YouTube studio. By going to your YouTube studio, you will be able to find here content. You will need to click on your content and then go to your shorts. Then you will need to add the shorts where you want to tag a link or to add a link to another video in your shorts. For example, I have this short here, and all you need to do is to click in details. By clicking on details, you will be able to start um, editing on this short. Now, all you need to do is just to go to related videos, and here we have this view. We need just to click on here. So basically, related videos will make you able to guide your audience to a piece of your content related to this video. So basically, by clicking here, you will be able to add the link to another video. But first, you will need to be able to you will need to make sure that you are eligible for this feature. So you can just click on next and then start adding or having your permission. Another way to get your permission is by going to settings and then go to channels, feature eligibility, and from here you will be able to see all your feature eligibility and you can start accessing to this feature and you can start using them. And basically, by following this step, you will be able to tag your links in YouTube Shorts. So thank you for watching and see you next time.